Welcome to the Joy and Vitality Show with Rachel White. My name is Rachel White, and thank you for joining me today. And today I'm going to talk about emotional intelligence through the lens of courage. And I am a motivational speaker and author and life coach hosting the show, The Joy and Vitality Show with Rachel. So let's get on with it. Once upon a time, in a coastal village, there lived a starfish, and a pebble who shared the same beach but felt entirely different about themselves. The starfish, with its unique shape and bright colors, often felt overlooked by the busy beachgoers. Why does no one admire me? It thought. I work so hard to keep the tide clean, yet I'm ignored. And then you have the pebble who, on the other hand, felt unworthy because it was just one of the countless stones on the beach. I'm too ordinary to matter, it whispered to itself, blending into the crowd of other pebbles. One day, a storm blew through, tossing the starfish far from the water's edge. It felt helpless, drying under the sun. The pebble, carried by a strong wave, rolled right next to the stranded starfish. I see you're in trouble, said the pebble. Let me help. You're just a pebble, said the starfish, defeated. What can you possibly do? The pebble felt the sting of doubt, but replied, I might be small, but I have strength when I'm with others. The pebble called out to the other stones, and together they formed a slope that allowed the small wave to reach the starfish. With the wave's push, the starfish was carried safely back to the water. You saved me, said the starfish, astonished. And you've inspired me, replied the pebble. You taught me that even if I don't shine brightly alone, I have value when I work with others. The beachgoers began to notice the teamwork and beauty of the starfish and the pebble, validating their unique contributions. Now, here's a teaching moment. For women, this story reminds us of the importance of validation. within ourselves and others. Women often undervalue their contributions, feeling unseen or unimportant. By recognizing each other's unique qualities and collaborating, we create an environment of mutual validation and empowerment. For children, the pebble and the starfish teach that even the smallest acts of kindness or teamwork can make a big difference. It encourages them to see their own value and the value in others, promoting empathy and collaboration. This story can inspire interactive activities such as sharing personal starfish and pebble moments, writing or drawing about times they felt validated or validated someone else. You can have group discussions on how teamwork creates stronger bonds. Teaching points for women and children. You can recognize unique strengths. Just as the starfish and the pebble had different qualities, we each have unique strengths. Validation starts with acknowledging and appreciating what makes us special, even if others don't always notice. The power of asking for help. The pebble reminded the starfish that even the strongest need help sometimes. Learning to ask for help and collaborate is a sign of strength, not weakness. The ripple effect of validation. When the pebble validated the starfish worth by helping, it inspired the starfish to recognize the pebble's value. This highlights showing kindness and validation to others can spark positivity and self worth in return. Teamwork make us stronger. The pebble couldn't help alone, but succeeded when the other stones joined in. Together, we achieve more, whether in families, friendships, or communities. Seeing value beyond appearances. The starfish initially dismissed the pebble, thinking it was just a pebble. This teaches us to look beyond the surface and recognize everyone's worth, even if it's not immediately obvious. Overcoming negative self talk. Both characters initially doubted themselves, a reminder that self criticism can hold us back. Replace I can't with or I'm not enough with affirmations like I can contribute or I matter. Simple activities to reinforce these lessons. You can have a starfish and pebble affirmation jar. Create a validation jar. Women and children write one thing they admire about themselves or someone else on a piece of paper. I am a good listener, or you made me smile today. Fill the jar as a group and read them out loud. Role playing validation. Act out scenarios. One person feels unimportant, like the pebble, and another one encourage them by recognizing their value. Discuss how it feels to give and receive validation. Building a helping bridge. Work together to solve simple challenge like building a bridge with materials. For example, Lego, popsicle sticks, cardboard to rescue a toy starfish. Reflect on how everyone's contribution made the success possible. Draw your unique strengths. Have each participant draw or write about their unique qualities as a starfish. What makes them shine? And as a pebble, how they contribute to the group. Then you have a gratitude circle. Sit in a circle and take turns sharing one thing they appreciate about someone else in the group. This fosters mutual validation and appreciation. These points and activities are simple yet impactful ways to engage and inspire your group while reinforcing the power of validation and collaboration. So, in a nutshell, when you get the concept centered around validation and it can resonate with both women and children, encouraging collaboration and empathy and self worth, you will begin to create an environment that is conducive to growth and development, and it's going to make things a whole lot healthier and happier and emotionally intelligent, which is going to create a whole lot of happiness so you could do other things and still enjoy the most valuable asset, and that's each other. So, thank you for joining me. And this has been the Joy and Vitality Show every Monday at 9 a.m. with Rachel White at the Win Win Women. And if you would like to become host your own show weekly, just check us out, winwinwomen.com. Thank you. Bye.